Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can fix post titles that are not displaying good in WordPress dashboard. So first of all I can go in website dashboard and let me show you in blog posts, and here you can see I have 177 published blog posts. But if I scroll down, here you can see these titles are looking bad and not readable. So how you can fix that? Just you can go on the top screen options, just expand it, and after that here you can see different options. So just you can hide extra things. For example, if you want to hide comments, as well as you can also hide some other things. For example, received internal links and then outgoing links. Then click on apply button, and now here you can see post titles are looking perfect. In this way you can easily fix this issue.